Okay, so we'll be creating a monster bookmark. So for that, what you need is you need just a square colored paper. In case you don't have a square paper, no worries. I'll tell you how to cut a square out of a full A4 size sheet. And the rest materials, like you can take your black sketch pen or any marker just to create the eyes. Okay, and the white paper just to give some more detailing. That's it. Nothing much of the material is required. Don't worry about it. Take whatever size you have, just fold it into half. Just fold it into half like this. Okay, now just cut these to paper. So you can use any scissors for this, or I'll just go freehand with this. If you have pressed this crease properly now, you'll get very nice edges here. Okay. Now, अब हमें क्या करना है? Just keep the sheet in as a in a portrait mode, in a standing mode like this, vertically. Take this from here, okay, and bring it to the edge here. So just bringing it like this, very carefully. Bring it till here. Now take this take this side and just fold it till your triangle. जो आपकी triangle की side है ना, वहां तक लेकर जाओ इसको. And just press it very nicely and just cut this up. So basically, you'll be cutting it from here, and you'll get a square paper like this. So here I'm just using this orange paper. You can use any paper that you have, whichever square paper you have. Okay. Now let's start making the bookmark. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll just you had that crease where you had that when you cut the square, right? You had this crease, triangle wala. Just fold on that and you'll get a triangle. Okay. So just have this, just fold this up. Now what I'll do is I'll just place it like this, wherein this opening part, this um, opening part will be on the top, and this flat line is in the bottom part. Now, what I do is I'll just take one side and I'll fold it, I'll bring it to this top, this point that we have got, and I'll fold it. I'll just press it nicely. Now, I'll do the same thing on the other side as well. Taking this part again and folding it the same way. Just press it very nicely so that you get very nice lines here. Okay, we need nice folds here. Just press it nicely. Now, what I'll do is I'll just open it again, placing it like this. I'll just take one flap here. Okay, and I'll bring it till here. So what I'm doing, I'm just taking this point and I'm bringing it till this line. I'm just folding it again, just pressing it nicely. I'm just placing my left hand finger here. Okay, just to lift this up, lift this pocket. From the right hand, I'm just folding it up, bringing here and folding it inside like this. And okay, I'll just press it very nicely like this. Now we'll do the same thing on the other side as well. And you'll get something like this. Okay, so we are done with this. Now let's first make the teeth of this monster. Okay, now for that, what I'll do is I'll just take my white paper, a scrap white paper. You can use any color paper, any colored sheet that you want your monster teeth to be. Now what I'll do is I'll just make triangles like this. Just start from any side and just start making the teeth like this. Just make some mountains kind of thing, so that you can have these spiky teeth. Okay, and then we cut these that we have drawn. You can draw any number of it, but make sure that the teeth doesn't go out of this. So if I just measure it, see, if I'm just measuring it, it's small, right? Don't make too long. Okay, just very carefully, don't hurt yourself. Cut those spiky teeth that you have drawn. Okay, now what you have to do is just keep on cutting these triangles like this. One here, then I'll make a cut here, then I'll cut here. Now make sure these edges here, they should not touch the edge of it. Otherwise, what will happen is, if you'll see, what will happen, this will happen. The two triangles will just get detached from each other, and we don't want that, right? So what you have to do, just remember, this point should not touch the edge. Okay, now I'm just keeping this aside for a minute, and now what we'll do, we'll just draw two circles for the eye of the monster. Okay, so this is my paper. Okay, any paper will work, any paper. Okay, I'm just making two big circles. Now, if you are not comfortable drawing a circle freehand, no worries. Take any round object that you must be having near you, like a bottle cap, something like that. बड़ा भी चलेगा, ठीक है? Now, what you can do is, just to have two equal circles, what you can do, just make one and fold the paper. Just fold it like this, and you can cut this. You'll get the other circle automatically. Fine. So this is what I drew, the one circle. Now I'll be cutting this up. I have just folded my sheet. I'll be cutting this one circle, and I'll get the other circle equal. Okay, so we are ready. Okay, let me just show you how we do. So we'll be making the eyes. We'll be pasting the teeth of this. What else? I guess enough detailings here. Now let's paste them up. This step has to be done very carefully, okay? Because if you'll just place this teeth wrong, you'll have something different. So just be very careful with what you are doing, okay? So take your black marker, whichever you have. If you're not comfortable working with the marker, I mean directly, what you can do, just use your pencil and very lightly just draw a circle like this in the center, like this. And doing the same thing for the other one as well. Okay? So what you have to do, just draw a circle and one more circle inside it, and just fill the rest part like this. And we are done with the bookmark. Now, how you can use this? Suppose this is your paper, just insert it like this, and this is your bookmark ready. Okay, so I'm just giving you the options what you can do with the eyes, and I'll just simultaneously tell you how to do that. So this is one of the bookmarks. So this was one that we did right now. The second is this. So here, what I have done is, the teeth is same like we did, right? For the eyes, what I did was, before doing this black eye, I just made one more colored circle. I just cut out one more circle and I just pasted there. And in this way, I had this different eye here. Also here, what I did was, I just cut out a square smaller than this square. So This is the book back side of your bookmark, a square. Okay. So I just use another paper here and I just drew a smaller square and I just pasted it inside this part. So this is one of the ways that you can do. The second way that you can try is this one. So this is somewhat that teasing kind of fun. So what I did here for the teeth, something similar. For the eyes, I just made two eyebrows also. So I used a black paper. In case you don't have a black paper, you can just use white paper and fill it with black color. That will just give you the same thing. So I have cut out these two eyebrows here and just pasted them here. So I've got different kind of eye here and also eyebrow for the eyebrows. If you can notice, one is to the top and one is a bit bottom to this part. And here I just cut out a tongue as well and I pasted on the upper part wherein we just pasted the teeth. So if I just use it, so how it looks like some this.